Today, we are going to tell what's inside a car. Do you like a car? Do you know what's inside a car engine? This is one of the amazing sticker book that I have. It shows lots of cars and you can stick the cars when they tell where to put it, the number is right next to them. This is a race car right over there. I love cars. Know what's inside a car engine? Today we have done a small cylinder. The cylinder has two things in a car. Crankshaft and piston. Do you know how piston moves up and down, up and down? And the crankshaft moves in a rolling way, like this. Look friends, this is the piston and this is the crankshaft. We're fixing it to a box, like this. And that's all done. I need to put the wheels into this part. This is how we fix it. The wheels, how they move? They move rolling, 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 rolling. Why they move rolling? Because of the crankshaft. You remember that I told it rolling? My car model. It's so cool, right? And moves up and down. This is the piston. Inside, you can see inside. I think it's the crankshaft. The crankshaft. And the wheels also move like the crankshaft, like rolling ways. Look, I'm moving the piston up and down and the wheels move. Moving the piston up and down. The wheels rotate. I'm not rotating the piston. I'm moving it up and down. Rotate because of the crankshaft. Can you see the crankshaft here? Moving the piston up and down. And look at the colorful wheels rotating. Let's move to the other side and look at the other rainbow wheel. Isn't that cool? I love cars. Do you love cars too? They're amazing. Fun with cars. Let's roll it one more time. Look at the piston going up and down. Look at the colorful wheels. It's amazing. Do you know they look amazing? Thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye. Subscribe in the video now. Click on the button if you know.